More than 50 million doses of the various COVID-19 vaccines are now in the arms of Americans as the program continues to expand with millions more doses heading to states. Steve Harrigan has more from Atlanta.
50 million shots in just 37 days since I've become president. That's weeks ahead of schedule.
President Biden hosting a special ceremony at the White House marking the 50 millionth COVID vaccine dose administered in the U.S. The administration has been ramping up shipments to states, roughly doubling doses over the past 5 weeks. And we could be getting more as soon as next week. The FDA poised to authorize Johnson & Johnson's candidate. It's less effective than Pfizer or Moderna's vaccines, prompting doctors to reassure the public that it will help to contain the virus.
You may think, oh, those numbers seem much lower, but not really, because it prevented 100% of hospitalizations and deaths.
And a new study could boost confidence in the Pfizer vaccine, finding it worked well among all age groups and at the same efficacy rate as clinical trials. But there are major concerns the vaccines won't work on the emerging COVID-19 strains. Moderna and Pfizer are both developing boosters that would target those strains, but it's unclear when they will become available. Meanwhile, health officials are working to expand access, but there are still significant supply shortages, and in some areas, people are having a hard time just getting an appointment.
There's lots of reasons to have confidence in this vaccine, so we'll see even more folks. But it's critical that we prioritize vaccine access for the communities that have the hardest burden.
The CDC also issuing guidelines telling people to stay at home for spring break this year.